welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is I'm gonna make a new video for the day, and let's go some retro, right? So since I'm an old school type of a person, and also excuse me, so some of my tech is also from the past, right? So since I am also kind of audiophile, so I'm a music lover, so it's also yes, and also I just wanted to share this to you, right? Okay, so sorry, okay, so I just wanted to share this to you. So right, so since yeah, you already know I'm an audiophile and also music lover, and also I'm into a what is this called, retro tech, right? So yes, I'm into some old school stuff of a of a tech. Okay, so yes, and also we've got right over here is some of my three music music devices that I also wanted to share it with you, right? So yes, so in this b-roll, right? So in this b-roll, so you can see this one. Okay, you can see this my CD cassette player, which is also has a tape cassette, but there's a twist on this one, right? There's a modern twist for this one, is because this because this tape cassette, because this CD tape cassette is also has a Bluetooth that you can connect your phone into it, or you can connect your MP3 player with a Bluetooth support on it, right? It is a really good one. It's also, I also really like it, is because it is so functional, and it's also it has some, what is this, telescopic antenna. So, and also got some lots of functionalities that you can have I forgot. So okay, move on to it. So yeah, and also it can play anything, right? So we get an FM and a radio, and also got the AM radio, and they get a short wave also that you can mix it up, right? So the tape cassette is also really good. It's also a really nice. Or there's no tangle when you want to get it out again. Also, and it's also the CD player is also good. It's also a really nice of it. Okay, and it's also, this is a good one. So I bought this on Walmart. Okay, this is the own CD tape cassette boombox, right? So, and it's also a really nice one. It's because I really wanted to have this for such a long time. So since when I was still a kid, I was listening to tape cassette. So I got a bunch of tape cassette that I left in Philippines. Yeah, but it's just only I can count it, but some of the tapes that are originals that can be throw away. So yeah, that was so regretting, right? So yes, because those are original tape cassettes from my brother, which is also really good, nice, because my brother is also really like some rock bands. So yeah, they got some Goo Dolls, he got some Goo Dolls, we got some anything that band from the from rock bands from the 90s and yeah, and 2000s. Yeah, there's so much for that one, and it goes to the trash. So right, so I don't know what happened. So yeah, I was just regretting to throw it that one. So because my sister wanted to throw it away. So but I cannot do that. It's because I want to treasure it. So I want to treasure it. So it's not just a thing that you have to throw, because if you want to throw some kind of that, you just throw some money on it. Yeah, that's right. So okay, on to the next one. Is also I've got this okay, I got this iHome from I got this iHome iPad Classic player, right? So which is also a docking charger, and it's also a iPad Classic player, right? So this is from iHome. So I think I think iHome is also connected to the Apple, right? So I don't know, because they got some bunch of tech from tech. They guys also bunch some tech from the from Apple accessories, right? So just like MP3 players, right? So and there's also this one is also a really good one, is because it has also a remote control that you can use it up for to play music. Play music, stop music, and also you can also skip songs, right? And also adjust the volume. And it is not just only a MP3 iPad Classic docking charger MP3 player, which is also, it has a FM radio. It also has a clock on it, and it's also you can manage to set an alarm on it, right? So you can manage to set an alarm. So there's also a clock, right? So and it's also good, and it's a really perfect that you're gonna have to have this one kind of, right? So and it's also, there's no telescopic antenna, there's only a wired antenna on it. It's because you just have to put a tape on it where you want to, so that you can get a reception or signal from the FM, right? So it's just only an FM. There's no AM on it, so there's no AM or shortwave. Yeah, it's also, yeah, it's a really good one. It's also, yeah, I got this from a thrift store. Also, I got this from the thrift store. It's also, I really like it a lot. It's because, you know, I can play my iPad Classic, right? But you know, it can play my iPad Touch 2nd generation or 4th generation, but it cannot charge, right? So that's why I just only, but you know, it is not also supported by the controller, right? So the only supported by the controller is the iPad Classic, right? It is also, yeah, if you really wanted to have this also, yeah, you can search it up into some thrift stores, right? So yeah, eBay, you know, lots of second-hand items from eBay, right? That a great deal also for the price for you if you really wanted to have this kind of, like, if you are having an iPad Classic, right? So yes, okay, on to the next one. We got onto the last one, is we got also another accessories from Apple, right? So yeah, this is not original accessories from Apple, right? So they just make a knockoff accessories, right? Knockoff accessories, or yeah, or just, well, you know, so they just make some accessories from that you can use it for your Apple devices, right? So yes, here it goes. I gonna get also over one is also, I've got right here, as I forgot. So okay, I've got right here is the Sony. Okay, I've got right here is the Sony iPad Sony iPad and iPad Classic and iPad Touch 2nd generation and 4th generation, or I think 3rd generation iPad Touch, right? So it's compatible with it. So, and it's also, there is no remote control on this one, so you just have to click those functions into this charger, okay, into this docking station charger. So it is compatible with the docking charger is compatible with my 2nd generation, right? And it's also, this is a good one also if you really wanted to have this one. So yeah, Sony is also having some kind of accessories for Apple, right? So yes, it is also nice also, is because I can charge my 2nd generation iPad Touch, right? So it's also a really good high quality of music. So there's no music in here, is because due to copyright. So I am avoiding copyrights. Okay, I am avoiding copyright. So these are only all of it just a B-roll, right? So yes, this is only a B-roll, right? And it's also a really nice is with this because, you know, you just have to get that one. Is also, yeah, and it's also a really nice also, yeah. So a really nice, what is this called, iPad Touch 2nd generation docking charger, right? And it's also a player, because there's also a speaker on it. It's just the same as the other one that I mentioned, the first one. Yes, it is also a really good devices, right? If you are into music. So if you are a music lover, then you're gonna get some with this one, right? So yeah, I do, yeah. You can search it up in eBay, right, if you really wanted to. So in the Philippines, I think, I don't know if they have this one, right? So yeah, so since Philippines now is just so modern, right? So modern, okay. But some people, because people nowadays are not listening to Spotify, but now I don't want to listen to Spotify, right? So yes, it's because, yeah, I just unsubscribe to the Spotify, right? I just unsubscribe, and listening to these MP3 players, radios, FM radios, yeah, and also listening to my CDs and tape cassette is just being so, it's just being so, bring back memories, right? So it is not just a nostalgic person, right? So I think most TikToker nowadays is also having this kind of, is because they just want to join the trend, right, of the old school persons, right. So I don't know what's gotten into them, but if you they just want the nostalgic, right? They just want the nostalgic. They don't feel that they are not an old school person, right? It's because old school person is just so, having a passionate to all the retro tech, from the past, right? So either you are having a VHS player, DVD player, CD player, right? That's one compact CD player, right? It's a big one. You can see it. I saw something like that one. I saw something that from the thrift store. Yeah, I kinda interested on that one, but for today, it's not for today. Okay, so if I'm gonna be having my own house or apartment, so yes, I'm gonna have to buy that one, right? So because I still don't have a car. I just only have my bike, right? So I just being me, being myself. So this also, I'm still haven't got no job for today, so I'm still hunting job in the internet. So yes. Yeah, so yeah, it's so hard. To find a job right here, right? So after I got terminated from the work, so yes, it's because I don't have a car. So I think mostly people here in USA having a car, right? So when they are going to the work, so I just only have a bike. That's why they terminate me, because I am late 3 times, right? So yes, okay, I don't know what's gotten into them. So yeah, okay, but I've still got to do. So finding some work, and then also, yeah, getting my sideline job in the internet, in YouTube. Yes, this is my sideline job, doing vlogs, right? So and I'm still not monetized yet. So if you wish to help me, if you wish to help and support me, so yes, click down below that subscribe button, right? So all right, so yeah, I think that's it for today's video, right? So okay, and also, and I hope you like it. So being a old school person, which is love music, yes, an audiophile person, which is also, that's being me, right? Being me. So yes, and also I really like listening to music all day long, listening to my MP3, right? So yeah, and also in my speaker, Bluetooth speaker, right? So listening FM radio in our country, Philippines, right, is also was one thing also I really wanted to listen to. So right, radio in the Philippines. So FM radio in the Philippines that I installed in my Ini Oasis MP3 player. Right. So yeah, I just installed a streaming radio in my Ini Oasis. Right. So all right. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it for this video, and so I hope you like it. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also click that notification bell so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos. Okay, so stay tuned, and it's because I'm giving you most of my good stuff here in my channel, because I will be having more resourceful video here in my channel just for you, right? So if you are entertained into my YouTube tech, okay, and everything, so I do everything here in my channel. So it is called Ronnie's Hubs. So all of my hobbies is all in one here in this channel. So okay, so yeah, so either text and gadgets, electronics, smartphones, tablets, laptops, etc. Everyday carry, right? Everyday carry, gamings and gadgets, gaming reviews, reaction videos, and also anything that you are be seeing here in my channel is all in one here in this Ronnie's Hubs PH. Okay, by the way, I'm Randolph, and this is my channel, Ronnie's Hubs PH, and I am based from the Philippines, and I am a Filipino vlogger, and I am a Filipino vlogger, and also I am now in USA continuing my vlog here, right? So it's also working as working also, and this is just only my sideline job. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy, and see you again on the next one.